In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make money on seller using TikTok and my Facebook account, right, with affiliate marketing. If you are someone that know the platform which they call seller, all right. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you too can start and make money doing affiliate marketing. This is a free training for free, guys. So as you see on my screen right now, this is my seller account, and if you can check very well, you see my name on the account right now. See, that's my name on the account, right, which I will use for you to know that this is working and you too can start. So this is one of my account, right, just for this training, for you to know that affiliate marketing is working. And if you start today, I cannot guarantee you that you will make money in the next 7 days, but when you start and be consistent for 30 days, there's possibility for you to make a lot of money from this affiliate marketing. Just be consistent and persistent with what you are doing, right? So let's move into what I want to show you in this training right now. So you can see how I demonstrate everything in this video, right? So what you need to understand right now that is you need something like, if you want to join affiliate marketing, you need the fee of 3,000 naira to get access to the affiliate platform on seller, right? Nobody is collecting money from you. All what you need to do is to go to the seller.com and join their affiliate program. Then you have access to the marketplace, all right? With your 3,000 naira, you have access to the marketplace. So if you are someone that don't have the money to get started, you can go to the bio of this YouTube channel, come to my WhatsApps and DM me. Let's talk about it on how you can get access to your platform, your marketplace, and free training on how you can start affiliate marketing, right? So let's move into this training on how it will goes right now. So right now, you need to understand this is that I shall show you my account. You see the money that is on my dashboard right now, which is 141,000 naira on my account right now, right? So what you need to understand is that how am I able to make this money in just few months, right? This is not up to 1 month. Let's say 3 weeks for me to generate this money in this account that you are seeing right now. So what you need to do is that you need to have access to the marketplace, but as a digital creator, I don't register for the affiliate, right? So for you to get started as a newbie, you need to have access to the affiliate so that you can be able to have access to many products that you can promote at the time, right? So what I will just do right now is that I will choose to the affiliate so that you can understand what I'm talking about in these things, right? And I will show you the marketplace right now so that you can see the store and the kind of product I promote on this particular platform right now. As you can see, you see on there right now. So you see the product that I promote right now, and it gives me money every day. That's the power of affiliate marketing, right? So what you need to understand is that I go to my dashboard and go to the logout right now and show you guys how you can start with this particular platform and start making money with them. So right now I'll click on the logout. So here is the home page. What you need to do is to sign up with this particular platform right now. So you don't have account, click on this start selling. This is a seller affiliate, okay? It has been in a long, and a lot of people have make money from it like I did on this particular platform right now. So what you need to understand is that you input your details, your name, your email, your password, okay? Confirm password, then you register. As you register, it will ask you, do you want to register as a creator or as a affiliate, right, or a customer, right? So what you need to choose is that you want to register as an affiliate because you are here to make money. You are not a creator. You don't know how to create something, right? So what you need to understand right now is that you go for the affiliate. So once you sign up, I will log in now and show you the affiliate dashboard so that I can understand it very well. This is my dashboard again right now. So what you need to understand is that if you look at the top right corner, you see the right creator profile, right? So what I will just do right now is to click on the creator profile and I switch to the affiliate. All right, affiliate profile, and you see on my affiliate profile, you see what it shows me that you don't have any affiliate links. So if you join this platform as a newbie, you don't know how to create product or anything to sell, you don't have anything to sell, right? So what you need to do right here is that you click on the access affiliate program, all right? So affiliate marketplace, and wait for it to load and shows you what you need to do. You see, earn extra income by promoting other people's products with this particular platform, right? So what you need to do is that you click on the get started. As I click on the get started, say you need to make payments to continue. So as I'm in Nigeria, I will choose Nigeria. So if you are in other country, you see they accept payment in US dollar, Ghana cedis, Kenya, and others, right? So because I want to pay with my Naira, right? So I click on the Naira right now and come down. You see affiliate network. You have to pay 3,000 naira per year to get access to the affiliate network on seller. So where is the real work that you will do to start promoting and make money? Once you join this affiliate marketplace right now, that you have access to the product, you get access to your link, you still need to learn how to promote this product, which I will show you in this video, right? So what you need to do is to click on the get started. As you click on the get started, you need to wait and see it say pay you now with your bank transfer or any other thing. So what I need to do is to click on the pay now, and it take me to the payment gateway, right? So right now you learn how to access the marketplace and get access to the product you want to promote. So how can you start by selling the products that you like to choose, all right? Because it will gives you a lot of product for you to promote. So you need to choose one that you want to go with so that you can start making your own money, right? So what I will do right now is that I go and do research, like what do I know, do I really know that I can go through. So what do you know? If you are someone that knows something about making money, you can promote something about making money. If you are someone that knows about graphic design, go for to promote graphic design. If you are a video editor, go and promote video editing so that it will be easy for you to start making money. Just like you don't know anything about video editing and you go there and copy video editing link, you want to start promoting it, it will be hard for you to get people to pay you to get access to the product, right? So what you need to do is to go for the thing that you already know or you understand very well, that will be easy for you to get started with. So what you do is that you copy the link and find where you will start promoting it. So in this video, I'll just show you through TikTok right now. So I'll show you how to use TikTok to start making money with this. So I will share you my TikTok right now on how I do it. Right now, this is my current TikTok account that I made this money from. Okay, I created that seller account particularly for this particular seller. I create that seller account for this TikTok, right? So I try to test my affiliate marketing journey with this TikTok and it worked for me, and I'm sure it will work for you too if you start today, right? So you can see on my screen, this is how I promote this product. I generate leads through TikTok because a lot of people are struggling to generate leads. So as you see on my screen right now, the first video that I pinned, I have 70k views right here, and you see what I post in this video is just an image, right? This only video have generated a lot of money for me from this affiliate marketing right now. So you too can do the same. What you need to do is that you copy the one that is working, copy someone that it's working for, go to your TikTok, copy what they are doing, start doing it for you to generate leads. Don't forget you need to rebrand it, recreate the video, right? So that you will not get stuck when you are creating all this. That's how you generate content. And ChatGPT is there that will give you a lot of content that you can just write and create video around it, right? So you don't need to be burned out whenever you are doing it. So I just have only 1k followers, right? And I'm making money with my TikTok right now. So you too can do the same by getting started today and start creating content. And you can see I have a lot of things. You see my messages is 689 messages right here. So imagine how much I will make if I continue start doing this right now. So if I click on the other video right here, I have 5,000 views that I pin right here. You see I have 10 messages, and don't bother yourself about the message. There's a lot of people that come into my DM without messaging, right? So there's a lot of leads that you can join. And the other way for you to make money when you get started with TikTok is that when you started, it might look frustrated, like you don't see anybody, your video don't go viral. I still do something like running ads with TikTok with 1,000 naira per day when I started this, which I'll show you right now how I do it, right? So I see on my screen, I'll go to my TikTok studio and show you in full details how I do this affiliate marketing and start making money with it. So right now I click on the promote, right? So this is my promote right now. You see I have a lot here that I have created, right? So you see You see, if you come down my other history, you come down. This is the last one that I did, which is 800 naira, and I have 94 click. Right? Imagine 800 naira with 94 people. Imagine how much I make if I'm selling a product of 20,000 or 10,000 or 30,000 naira per day. So, one product, right? So you can see this one they don't deliver heat. You see this one that they deliver. I have issue when running all those one that they don't deliver, right? So let me show you the one that's working for me that I promote and start making money with right now. So you can see you come down right here, you see promote again, completed, you see completed, not up to 1,000 naira, and I generate a lot of leads from this video ad that you are seeing right here. This is how you can start making money by generating leads. So how can you be able to do this? I have a video for you guys on how to do TikTok marketing by running ads on TikTok and start making money. If you want me to drop the video, kindly go to the comment sections and let me know there. Just write TikTok in the comment section there and we know what to do, right? So in my next video, I will just show you how to do your WhatsApp marketing, because the platform that I use to sell this product is WhatsApp, and I can show you how to do it too on WhatsApp. So what you need to do is that when you are creating this, you need to have 1,000 followers for you to be able to add your link to your TikTok account, right? So when I started, I'm already at 1K followers, so I had my link to my account immediately that I started. But for you that don't have up to 1K, what you need to do is to, when someone say come to the comment sections, just give them your phone number and they will message you direct, or you do your marketing in your TikTok by messaging them on your TikTok, give them your number. People that are interested in what you are doing, they will make sure they save your contact and message you direct by saving your number, right? So that's how you generate a lot of leads and quality leads, right? Not just people that click on the link, the real people that come to you. When you say come, they come. That's the main people that you need for your affiliate marketing right now. Now I've shown you how I do my things. I've shown you the seller platform that I'm using for my affiliate marketing, right? And I have shows you my TikTok that I use to promote this product right now. So what are you waiting for? So let me know in the comment sections what challenges are you facing, right? So just let me know in the comment sections and I will do something about it. So once I get 10 people that write TikTok in the comment sections, then I will drop the video on how to do the WhatsApp marketing and make sure everybody understand it very well. And I will do a particular video on how to do the TikTok ads that will connect with your WhatsApps and start making sales immediately, right? So how to do WhatsApp marketing, you really need it in this online space, right? So don't fall for any Ponzi schemes app, and don't forget every video that I share on this video, try to do more research about it before you dive into it. But when it comes to affiliate marketing, everything that I share with you on this platform is correct, right? 100% correct. So you can start anytime that you like and start making money with it. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, kindly share with others and let them enjoy the benefit of this affiliate marketing too. This is 2025. You need to start a new thing. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any other video that I'll be dropping on this channel.